When you look at the gong, you'll notice that you can usually see three distinctive areas highlighted on the gong itself. There's the center area in the middle, which you call either the center. Some people call it the sun. There's the mid-range area around the center, around the sun. Some people call this like the corona of the sun, right? The outer crown of the sun, the corona, the mid-range area. Then finally, we have the rim area around the gong itself. And some people refer to this as the flare of the sun. Center, mid-range, rim, sun, corona, flare. Each of these three areas is going to produce a different type of sound. Let's examine how each area will give its own unique sound. We'll begin with the center area of the gong. When you strike the center area of the gong, the important thing to remember is you typically do not strike dead center. You typically will play inside the center, inside, but not right in the middle. So when we're playing and striking the center area of the gong, we play right in here, right in here. And this produces a very rich, centering, coalescing sound. Very strong, centering sound. The center area of the gong. You look at the mid-range, this is actually the area that most people play the majority of the strikes. Will be between the center and the rim in this mid-range area of the gong. This gives you the widest variety of sound when playing in this area. It starts to lighten more, you get more movement of the gong, it's very resilient. Everywhere you strike, this mid-area. And then finally, this outward area of the gong, the rim on the edge, this is like a moving outward, expansive, almost sparkly kind of sound as you play around the rim. So most players are going to go back and forth between the center area, maybe the rim, center, mid-range area. And you want to investigate how each of these three areas will give you a different experience in the sound itself.